Hello children, today we are going to start with the new lesson, that is Euclid Geometry. I have forwarded 2 links for the explanation of this lesson. Go through this. Then afterwards write the summary from page number 38 in your fair book. Afterwards we are going to solve the exercise. In the first question, that is true and false. When you go through the summary and the explanation, you will be able to write it, whether the statements given are true or false. If the statements are false, you have to correct it and write it. Then we'll go to the next exercise. There are few definitions asked. I have given you the definition, note it down in your fair book. The first one is parallel lines. Parallel lines are the lines on a plane which do not meet. They are always same distance apart. Next is perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines are intersect at right angle. Next, line segment. Line segment is a part of a line that is bounded by 2 distant points. Radius of a circle. Radius of a circle is the distance between the center of a circle and any point on a circle. Next, square. Square is a closed figure made up of 4 line segments and each of the interior angle is 90 degrees. All these you have learnt earlier. So write them down in the book, write the summary without fail, and then we'll go to the next 2 questions, that is question 4 and question 6. We are going to do them only. Now the 4th question is, if a point C lies between 2 points A and B such that AC is equal to BC, then prove that AC is half of AB. Explain by drawing the figure. Now here I have drawn the figure, that is line segment AB is there, C is the midpoint of the line. Now AB is made of 2 line segments, that is AC and CB. So AB is AC plus CB. Now it is given that AC and CB is equal. So in the second line I replaced CB with AC. So AB is AC plus AC. Now how many ACs are there? 2 ACs. So AB is equal to 2 ACs. 2 will go to the left hand side and divide it. So it becomes AB upon 2, that is AC. So that is what we have proved. So AC is half of AB. Let us go to question number 6. Here in the figure 2.10, if AC is BD, then prove that AB is CD. Now there is a line segment AD and B and C are 2 points on the line. It is given that AC is made up of 2 line segments, that is AB plus BC. Now BD is made up of 2 line segments, that is BC and CD. Now it is given that AB and BCD are equal. So take the first and second equation and write it, because AC and BD are equal. So AB plus BC is equal to BC plus CD. Now we will cancel BC from both the sides. What will remain? That is AB is equal to CD. That is what asked to prove it. Understood? So we are going to do this much from this lesson. So complete everything. Write down the notes, write down the summary, solve these 2 proofs and complete the exercise. Thank you children.